Oof. Oh yeah, you make that right turn from the left lane, boy. Pedestrians aren't really in the right of a way, I don't think. Nah, just change your mind. You're good. Thank you. Yeah, you don't let them restrict you to one lane. You own all of them, buddy. Oh, 10 points, 10 points. Oh, didn't get him. Next time. What? Get your ass back in that driveway. Look at this cute ass little corgi. You ain't never seen a corgi this cute in my life. Oof. Needs all the cuddles. Boy, and everyone feed didn't want to let that guy in. Oof. If you think for a second I'm gonna move my foot like 1 inch over to the brake, you ain't gonna be happy. Oh, someone's razzle-dazzling over there. Oof, and he flipped me off when I caught him on camera. Oh, isn't the ambulance gonna help out? Nope. Ambulance gonna keep on driving. None of their business.
Doesn't give a fuck.
Oof. Got a schmacko. Boy done hit that boy's trailer. Oof. It's okay. Call Desjardins. Nobody wants to stop at the little mark there? Oh, it's okay. Just block the whole intersection, back up. Yep, you're okay. No problem. Bro, so I wonder how people get their licenses. They just get out of a cereal box? Oof. Shake my hips. Fix your wiper. Come on. This guy's advanced. He's living in 2025. He's wiping his license plate off. Oh, just back into me. Yep, smart. Take that horn, boy.
Yeah, I need to do. I'm gonna upgrade my brakes to like some. What the fuck is this? No right on red, but that guy went anyway.